Hello everybody. So today again I'm here to learn English with amazing technique. Before we start our technique, I have something to tell you. This thing is connected with the technique which I'm going to share with you today. I have been not feeling good from the past 2 days. If you're my old subscriber, then you might complain that कि भाई तेरा तो रोज का ही है. Every time you say that you are not feeling good. But I'm helpless, I don't do it deliberately. It's just like I'm a girl, so it's just all about my hormones. I have lot of mood swings. But one more thing, that is my strength. I have very resilient personality. Doesn't matter how many bad things I'm going through, I always have resilient personality that I can cope up with this problem. I can handle everything by myself. So this kind of personality I have. And as I told you, like I have been not feeling good. So today I thought, like, this is 28th February today. This is the last day of February, and we have already completed 2 months of the year 2026. We have completed 2 months already. Now tomorrow it's 1st March. From tomorrow, I'm not going to have this kind of mood swings. See, first of all, figuring out that thing is important. You have to figure out that why you feel demotivated, why you feel underconfident, why it happens exactly, what is the root cause of that problem. So, before creating this video, I mean, before turning on my camera, I was thinking for it, like, what is the exact reason? Why do I feel in that way? So, I only found one reason. There is only one reason which always pulls me down. That reason is if I do not follow my to-do list, that moment I feel bad about myself. That is the only moment doubt on myself. I feel demotivated, underconfident. That is the only reason. Because for me, the biggest achievement is just follow your to-do list. Just follow that, just accomplish that, and every day. And if I'm able to complete my to-do list, very next moment I feel very good. Doesn't matter I have motivation to complete that to-do list, my task or not. If I complete that, the very next moment I feel motivated. Okay, so in my case, discipline, before discipline, motivation doesn't come to me. Yeah, exactly. Before discipline, motivation doesn't come to me. After doing that work, after discipline, motivation comes. This happens in my this happens with me. So that's what I have figured out. So now, to improve my lifestyle, to improve my mood, to improve my productivity, I have decided that from the 1st March, I am not going to skip any of the task which is in my to-do list. And one more thing, before turning on this recording, I was reading also. Actually, I have this habit. The moment I start feeling demotivated, I just pick one of the self-help books and I start reading. So right now I'm reading Good Vibes, Good Life. This is the book I'm reading right now. So I was reading before this video, I was reading that book, and I found one thing in that book, that it has suggested that write down 5 achievements at least, but I'm going to write down 10 achievements which I have achieved, accomplished till now. I thought this is the right way to start my to-do list, because most of the time we just see the big mountain which we want to achieve, but we do not see those small milestones which we have achieved already. So that's why I thought, let's write down my achievements first, and let's record this also. And here, how this video is going to help you, you also bring your notebook and pen and start writing down your achievements. This is going to help you in your writing skills also. All right, I hope you got it. So I thought, let me bring new book. So I asked my sister to give me a book because I don't write anything with pen or paper. I just write down everything in my laptop. I just write there. So here I am going to write down my 10 achievements. So I hope you also have your notebook and your pen with you. First of all, achievement is, now I am not at all afraid of these cameras. I tell you, I was very shy girl and I was very insecure about my looks, that how am I looking, I am not looking good, my nose is like that, my skin tone is like that, my skin tone is brown, I'm not looking good in cameras, or I'm looking dark. And I had insecurity that I'm like brown skin and my sisters are having fair skin. So I was very insecure to take pictures with them because all the spotlight was on their face only because they are looking fair and I'm like brown girl. So I was very insecure about this thing, but I don't know how, but I have overcome this thing already. This is a huge achievement, and now camera is like my friend nowadays. And now this camera is like my friend. I cannot live without this friend. Every day, I have to look. Every day I have to look into the camera, and every day my camera also have to record me. So we love each other a lot. So first, this is my achievement, that I'm not at all afraid of facing cameras. Okay, so let me write down, and I hope you also found your first achievement, and I hope you are also writing down with me. So let me write down it. This is my first achievement. Now, second achievement, you can say, okay, first of all, first of all, before we write down our second achievement, you must understand one thing here. Achievements, it's not all about like whatever the dream job you want to achieve, you have achieved that. It's not that achievement, my god. See, we all have this kind of mindset that I want to become this, I want to have government job, I want to marry with that person, I want to have a car, I want to buy my own home. Of course that is achievement, but before that, before reaching that biggest milestone, you are already achieving lot of milestones which we do not give any attention to that one. Okay, so today I'm going to write down those things, like the kind of milestones I have achieved related to my personality. I tell you, before 3 years there was the different Mamta. You know, I was like couldn't talk with anybody if any guest is coming at my home. So I used to just sit inside my room. I used to not come to see those relatives because I was just insecure in while talking with them. Just don't want to talk with them. It's not like they are bad or something. It just, I just don't want to face people. That kind of personality I had earlier, but now I'm like, I want to talk with different people. I am bored with same people. If I see the same face again and again, I feel that, my god, you're again here. I have this kind of reaction. So I just want to talk with different people, talk with different personalities, different culture. I love that. And this has, I have achieved that thing. So next thing I would write here in my achievement, that I'm not afraid of people. Third thing I will write, that I am now self confident girl, and I don't need anybody's approval. I don't I don't seek any kind of validation that you are going to appreciate me that wow, Mamta, you are doing good and all. So only then I will continue my work. If I feel that this is good or it is helping me somewhere, or I am achieving something, then obviously I'm going to do that work. I don't need anybody's validation. I'm self motivated person, and I am having my own opinions. Earlier, even though I liked eating pani puri, but I used to ask for that single thing to many people, that are you coming with me, or should I eat today? Is it the right time to go? The stall will be open or not this time? This kind of like overthinking I used to do, but now what happens? By मुझे करना है तो करना है. Simple. If I want to do it, so I'm going to do it. I don't check any circumstances that it will be available right now or not. If I have that thought in my mind, so obviously that is there for me. I believe in that. So in a short way, I can write that I don't wait for somebody to come with me. I don't wait for any friendship or any. I don't wait for any friend to come with me. I'm able to do everything by my own. Yeah. So I can write that third achievement, that I don't wait for anybody. So fourth achievement is till my 11th or 12th grade, I never knew that there is something called YouTube also. Yeah, till my 12th, 2020, before COVID. In 2020, COVID came, and before COVID, I did not know that there is a something about that. There is something which is known as YouTube also. Yeah, in COVID, I started watching YouTube. So in 2020, and I think YouTube started in 2006 or 2004, something in that way. So you see, 15 years, at least 15 years, I did not know anything about YouTube. However, in COVID, I started watching YouTube, started consuming a lot of content in English. And yeah, so then I started YouTube. And now you see, it is 2026. I have my own YouTube channel. This is also achievement for me. Fifth achievement is I was a girl who always suffered to have at least passing marks. Getting 18 marks out of 50, that was the biggest challenge for me. But now I have a YouTube channel there. I teach English. I have my own students and I provide them classes. I help them to learn this language. That is biggest achievement. And I have taught English to over 100 people till now in just a few months. Would write down the fifth achievement, that is I am a confident English speaker. First of all, I will write down that. Sixth number, I have taught English to over 100 people. And now seventh achievement, I would like to write down here, that I am an independent girl. So eight number of achievement I have written. I earn my own money and I spend it, save it as I want. Ninth number of achievement I can write down, that I can do solo travel. Last achievement I would write down. I have to think for it. Okay, how can I miss that one? I am the only daughter in my entire generation who is earning in dollars. Wow. Okay. So these are the 10 achievements I have written. Still, if I want to write down, so I can write even more. I think 6 to 7 more achievements I can write down. While I was doing my graduation, just after COVID, I started doing my graduation. I faced such kind of problems which I wish that nobody should face such problems. I faced my situation was like I had to drop my graduation. That kind of situation I had, but still somehow Because of my resilient personality, somehow I completed my graduation. Okay, so that is my another achievement. Next achievement is like, I was a girl, I had to take permissions from my parents every time. Now I don't need to take those permissions. Like, my parents are blind now. Blind in the sense, like, my parents, they believe in me a lot, or they think that if Mamta is saying that she wants to do that, it means that is 100% correct. That's why she is telling. Otherwise, अगर वो चीज खराब है तो फिर ममता तो बात ही नहीं कर सकती उस बारे में. And so this kind of belief, this kind of respect I have earned in my family. That is my another achievement. And next, I can say that this is the library I have. This is my achievement. I was a girl, I never knew about such kind of self-help books and all, but just because I started learning English, I started reading such books, and over 100 books, self-help, over self over 100 self-help books I have read so far. And novels are, that is a different ball game. Yeah, and I hope you were also writing down your 10 achievements along with me. Don't just write down, just copy me. Whatever I did in this video, just try to copy me. You also turn on your camera and take pen and paper, write down your achievements, and while you are writing down, just describe it in front of your camera. What I was doing right now, I did not plan this video. It was just like I was feeling negative, so I just wanted to write down my achievement so that I can feel good about myself. Communication, how can I forget that? Like, I have built great communication skills. I did not like to talk with anybody, but now I love, and I can say that my communication skills are the biggest strength I have. Most of the people who are not understood by others, they are understood by me. Yeah, like, people feel really good when they talk with me, when they share their problems with me, because I have very good listening skills. I do not listen a person because I want to reply. No, I listen a person to understand that person. Okay, the kind of videos you appreciate on my channel, I'm going to work on that. So that's it, guys, about our today's video, and I hope you liked it, and I hope you are going to do your work. Bye bye.